This is the flag of Tunisia. This is the map of Tunisia. It is bordered by Algeria to the west and southwest. Libya is on the southeast, and Mediterranean Sea is in the north and east. Tunisia also shares the maritime borders with Italy and Malta. Tunis, which is the capital city of Tunisia. We have now come to Tunisia from Malta. We will now see Tunis, which is the capital city of Tunisia, which is one of the North African countries. We are now in Malta International Airport. See our flight chart. Air Malta is leaving at 2:05 am for Tunis. Finally, after a 45 minutes flight, we landed in Tunis around 3 am. We are now collecting our baggage from the baggage trolley, and then we'll proceed for immigration check. This is Tunis Carthage International Airport. Tunisia is officially the Republic of Tunisia, is in the northernmost country of Africa. This is next day morning. You can see our hotel in Tunis. It is Hotel Carlton, where we put up yesterday night. It's a nice cozy hotel. Our bus has come to pick us up for the sightseeing tour to Carthage ruins. We'll also see the Sidi Bou Said touristic village in this tour. We are now out for sightseeing. Note the beautiful trams in Tunis city. The temperature outside is 44 degrees centigrade. It's very hot outside. Beginning in early antiquity, Tunisia was inhabited by indigenous Berbers. The Phoenicians began to arrive in the 12th century BC and established several settlements, of which Carthage emerged as the most powerful by the 7th century BC. The descendants of the Phoenician settlers came to be known as Punic people. Ancient Carthage was a major mercantile empire and a military rival to the Roman Republic until 146 BC, when it was defeated by the Romans, and later they occupied Tunisia for most of the next 800 years and rebuilt this Carthage area. Presently we are driving in Tunis city and will proceed to the ruin site approximately 25 kilometers away. This is the port of Tunis. Finally, we have reached Carthage ruin site. We will see the former ruins and the museum. That is the Mediterranean Sea. We are now exploring Carthage Roman ruins. Carthage means a new city or new town, and before the rise of ancient Rome, Carthage was one of the most powerful cities in the region because of its proximity to trade routes and impressive harbor on the Mediterranean. Carthage was an ancient city in northern Africa on the eastern side of Lake of Tunis, and it was one of the most important trading hubs of the ancient Mediterranean and one of the most affluent cities of the classical world. Although Carthage was destroyed centuries ago, the ruins of the once affluent capital still stand near the waters of Tunis and make for a popular tourist attraction. After seeing the ruins here, we have come out. We can see some souvenir shops. We will next proceed to another site where we will see again part of Carthage Roman ruins, mainly baths. We have reached the second part of the Roman ruins. This again also we have to explore on foot.
A yacht club where the inhabitants of Carthage in the 2nd century AD, young people stay together. They can help to clean the city. They do a little bit politics.
At the beginning we are seeing the funeral chambers in Roman times. Exceptional place of mixing, diffusion and blossoming of several cultures that succeeded one another: Phoenico-Punic, Roman, Paleo-Christian and Arab. This metropolis and its ports have encouraged wide-scale exchanges in the Mediterranean. We can see the tower and the cliffs. After seeing the ruins, we will proceed to a touristic village which is named as Sidi Bou Said village. On our way, we are passing by the famous mosque in Carthage called Malik ibn Anas Mosque. You can see the minaret. The Malik ibn Anas Mosque is on the top of Odeon Hill in Carthage next to the Roman theatre, and it has a beautiful building with a big minaret. The mosque appears in Tunisia's 10 dinar note. The mosque has a great view of Carthage, a view of the Acropolium of St. Louis, the sea and the ruins of Carthage. It is also possible to perceive the hills of Sidi Bou Said. We are proceeding to Sidi Bou Said village. On our way, we stopped near the aqueduct remains. These aqueducts were used for supplying water in the olden days. We have now reached our destination village, Sidi Bou Said. Here also we have to explore the touristic village in Carthage on foot. Sidi Bou Said is a town or a village in northern Tunisia, and it's located around 20 kilometers northeast of capital city Tunis. It was named after a religious figure who lived there, Abu Said al-Baji. It was previously called Jabal el-Menar. While walking, we are seeing oranges on the trees. It's a narrow cobbled street. Beautifully decorated houses. The town itself is a tourist attraction and is known for its extensive use of blue and white. You can also reach there by a TGM train which runs from Tunis to La Marsa. This is the market area of the village. Sidi Bou Said has a reputation as a town of artists. Artists who have lived in Sidi Bou Said include famous Aleister Crowley, Paul Klee, Henry Jesot and Louis Moliette. All the houses here are painted blue and white. It looks so beautiful. After exploring some parts of the village, we have now come to the Mediterranean coast of the village and is sitting in a coffee shop. From here we can see the president's villa with the garden. In the distance we can see the Tunis port. And there are the Atlas mountains. Far away in the distance we can see the soccer stadium of Tunis. We will spend some more time in the coffee shop and have the grand view. It's very unique that the village is painted with striking blue and white. We are having a bird's eye view of the Mediterranean Sea with the marina. We can see a small beach full of tourists. Finally, after seeing the Roman ruins in Carthage and the village, we are returning to our hotel in Tunis via the same route. After seeing my videos, please do like, share and comment, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel.